Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Hope you and your family doing good. Today we are going to learn how to rename all MP4 files in folder into a series starting from 1 and so on with a single click. To do that I have written a code in Python. Link to this code will be given in the description. Let's run the code and rename files. This is the folder where all the MP4 files are placed. To run the code hold Shift and press right click. You want to do this where you place the code file. And click open command window here. Let's open both these windows together. To run the file, I will type Python and name of the file.py and hit enter. As you can see in the folder, all the files are renamed in a series. Now you can use these files one by one in series. You can do this with any type of file as your requirement. Now let's understand the code. This is the code file. First we have to import OS library. Then we create a function to rename the file that will take the path of the folder as argument. Then we will create a variable that will store all the files in the folder. Then we will create another variable to store only MP4 files. Then we will create a condition to check if number of files are 0 or not. Then we will use a for function to iterate on each files. Each iteration will work on two values, one index and two name of the file. We will add one in index and add .mp4 in the last, and store this in new file name variable. Then we will use join function to join old file name with the folder path and store this in the old file path named variable. The same we will do to create new file path. Then in the try section, we will use rename function from OS library to rename old file into new file. We will use print function to display the current file being renamed. In the folder path named variable, we will store the path of the folder where all files are, to rename. Then we will call the rename files function. This is the end of the code. You can download this code from the link in the description box. Thank you guys for watching this video. If I helped with this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and help me grow this channel. May your parents live long. Thank you.